Are you battling the chaos of financial management in your small business? Do spreadsheets brimming with data, misplaced receipts, and looming tax deadlines feel like they're stealing your entrepreneurial zeal? Enter QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an all-in-one accounting solution designed with the needs of small to medium-sized businesses in mind. It brings a whole host of features to the table that streamline financial tasks, freeing up your valuable time to focus on what truly matters, nurturing the growth of your business. Here's how QuickBooks can revolutionize your financial management. Wave goodbye to manual data entry with QuickBooks' ability to effortlessly track income and expenses. By automatically syncing with your bank and credit card accounts, QuickBooks categorizes your transactions, saving you precious time. Creating professional, custom invoices is a breeze with QuickBooks. Add your logo and branding to your invoices, and get paid faster with QuickBooks' online payment option for your customers. Tax season need not be a headache anymore. QuickBooks simplifies it by categorizing your income and expenses in line with tax regulations, making it a breeze to file your taxes or collaborate with your accountant. QuickBooks also provides easy-to-understand reports, offering you a transparent view of your business's financial health. You'll see where your money is coming from, where it's going, identify trends, and base your future growth strategies on solid data. What sets QuickBooks apart from traditional accounting software is its cloud-based nature. This means you can access your financial data anytime, anywhere, on any device. This level of flexibility keeps you in control of your finances, whether you're in the office, working remotely, or out meeting clients. QuickBooks is not just a solution, it's a scalable solution. As your business grows and your accounting needs evolve, QuickBooks offers a variety of plans with different features. You have the freedom to choose the one that suits your current requirements, with the option to upgrade as your business expands. So, if you're a small business owner weary of manual bookkeeping and looking to streamline your finances, QuickBooks could be the powerful tool you need. With its user-friendly interface, automated features, and valuable insights, QuickBooks can help you regain control of your finances and free you to focus on running a successful business. So, why wait? Visit the QuickBooks website today to explore their plans and features. Or better yet, start your free trial and experience the benefits firsthand. QuickBooks, take control of your business finances today.